Hey, if you've been following along on my coding sessions playlist, you've seen me develop onto this front-end repository. Right now I'm looking at the Cypress tests. Basically what I want to do now is add as many features as thoroughly and quickly as possible. To do that, I got set up with Storybook and Cypress. Right now Storybook isn't running though. There are a few things that I can change about these pages in general, and for the most part I want to make sure that all of these different admin pages, for one, are accessible, for two, have the things that they should. In the short term, it's relatively simple to test certain things, but I'm not entirely convinced that this is going to be the way that I want to go in the future. One of the major things that I need to consider is how I'm adding class names to these things. For example, in the original test, when I was just trying to get a feel for what I wanted to have, I said main nav.admin, so a nav tag with the admin class in the main section of the code base, or in the HTML. But that doesn't work anymore because at some point I changed it, and I haven't been keeping track of the changes that I make in the code base relative to the Cypress tests. Mostly because there's only one test that actually looks for something in the HTML. That's this one. So generally speaking, I'm going to try to work based on the features that exist, not so much the class names that exist. Then I'm going to go back through all of those features and make sure there's at least one reference to an actual tangible class name. Or at least selector, I should say. It might be an ID.